The module articles related articles module is going to display other articles that are related to the one currently being viewed. These relations are established by the meta keywords. All of the keywords of the current article are searched against all keywords of all other published articles. For example, you may have an article on breeding parrots and another on hand-raising black cockatoos. If you include the word parrot in both articles, then the related items module will list the breeding parrots article when viewing hand-raising black cockatoos and vice versa. So this is pretty straightforward. This is a related articles. The way that it works is as just described using the meta keywords. So in addition to keywords being used for search engine optimization and best practices, kind of on-page SEO, it's also used when it comes to related articles. So if you implement a related article module and you find that you're not getting the results that you want, it's probably because we didn't properly tag the articles with the proper keywords. So what we want to do is you obviously need to give your module a title, choose to show the title or not, assign the position of that specific title, set the status as to published, unpublished, or trashed, whatnot. Set your access level, the ordering of that module in the specific position. If there were multiple modules in this position, you would use that. You can set a start publishing date or not, set a finishing publishing date, set the language, make yourself a note, and at the bottom here, as with all of these modules inside Joomla, we need to assign a page to it, or a menu assignment, if you will. So we can select all on all pages, or we can say I only want to select specific pages. And in order to clear the default selection, we have to select no pages and then only on pages selected. That will clear these boxes and we can select which ones we want. We can choose different menu items to show this module on. This works the same way as every other module inside Joomla. And then on the top right we have show the date, and we have some advanced options regarding alternative layouts, any sort of module class suffix or specific styling that you want applied to this module, and then simply caching. Again, so we're clear on this, this module is going to display other articles that are related to the one currently being displayed. And the relationships are established by the meta keywords. So all of the keywords of your current article are searched against all the keywords of all other published articles. For example, it says if you have an article on breeding parrots and another on hand-raising black cockatoos, these are obviously related articles. If you include the keyword parrot in both of the articles, not just in the actual article text, but in the meta keywords of the article, then the related items module will list both of these when you're viewing one or the other, and it will show a related article, and again based on those meta keywords. So make sure that you properly label your pages if you're going to use this type of module on your website. On this page we also have save, save and close, save and new, and cancel. If we click save, it's going to save the item and leave us on this page, and we can actually preview if we publish the article on a page where we know it's going to pull related items. We can click save and we can go preview that by opening up that page in another tab and then refreshing the page and watching that change occur and seeing how many articles it's going to pull in, what's related, and how that affects the layout of our page once it does that, depending upon where we have this module published. Additionally, we've got save and close and save and new. If we click save and close, it's going to obviously save and close this item. If we click save and new, it's going to save this item and it's going to return us to this page with a blank slate in order to create another instance of this module. And we've got cancel, or we can cancel the entire operation from here, and we have our help button. And that's about it. Thanks.